Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to duplicate a post without using a plugin and how to duplicate a post using a plugin and page builder. And also, we'll talk about some plugins that can be used for duplicate posts in WordPress. So let's start the video. Learn how to duplicate a page in WordPress with plugins. Plugins 1. The first plugin is Duplicate Page. Duplicate Post duplicates your WordPress post and pages in an instant, using a simple yet powerful user interface. It is the ideal solution for anyone who wants to create a clone of a post or page without manually duplicating the content. 3 million plus people use this plugin, and it got a 5 rating overall. To use this plugin, you have to install and activate the plugins first. Then, you go to the post or page. Hover your mouse over any post or page. You will see Duplicate this option. Normally click on this button and see your duplicate page has been created. See how easy it is? Plugins 2. Duplicate Post Page Menu and AMP, Custom Post Type. It is the second one on our list. You can also duplicate custom posts like products, tickets, coupons, events, etc. Write one post. With a single click, you can create several entries for the same post. To make use of this plugin, you have to first install and activate the plugin. Go to Posts. Then, All Posts. You will find the duplicate option there. Also, you will see a new option, with which you can create up to 5 duplicate pages or posts at once. How many duplicates you want? Enter the number in the box, and normally press the duplicate button. This is as simple as the previous one. Plugins 3. Duplicate Page and Post. Duplicate Page and Post is also the same plugin as others. With a single press, you will duplicate pages, posts, and custom posts, and they will be stored as drafts. It has 100,000 plus active installations and also got a 4.5 rating. To use this plugin, you must first install and activate it. Then, navigate to Pages. You will see the duplicate option. Just click on this button and see your duplicate page has been created. How to duplicate a page in WordPress with Page Builder. Several page builders are available on the market: Elementor, Debbie, WP Bakery, Beaver Builder, and more. You've most probably heard of Elementor whether you're a blogger or work with an agency. Elementor is at the top of the list. Let's know how to duplicate a post or page on Elementor. If the Elementor Website Builder plugin is not installed on your website, then install and activate the Elementor Website Builder plugin immediately. Then, go to All Posts from the Posts section. Open the post you want to duplicate, and click the Edit with Elementor button. Click on the arrow symbol. Now click on Save as Template. Enter a template name and press the Save button. It will show you a pop-up. Cut the pop-up. Now go back to the All Posts page. Press Add New button. Add a title here. Now click on Edit with Elementor. Click on the Add Template button. It's next to the plus icon, Add New Section. Navigate to My Template section. You'll find your saved design here. Insert it. Edit if you want, then publish it. It's a bit more difficult than the previous ones, but it's also easy. And I know you can do it. Now I will show you how to duplicate a page in WordPress without plugin. If you don't want to use a plugin or aren't used to using a page builder plugin, you can still duplicate your post. But you can't duplicate your post or page easily. You have to go through some steps. It might be a little boring for you, but you can. So let's see how to duplicate a page or post without a plugin. If you are a Gutenberg user, then follow the step. Go to the post which you want to duplicate. Click on the three-dot button on the top right corner. You will find the Copy All Blocks option. Click on it. All your content will be automatically copied. Now go back to the All Posts page and create a new post. Add a title here. Now, just paste what you copied. You can also use keyboard shortcode Ctrl+V to paste that you copied. Edit if you want. Then publish it. If you are a classic editor user, then follow the step below. Go to the post which you want to duplicate. Switch to text mode and copy all the text. Now, create a new post. Again, switch on the text mode and paste all the text. Now you can switch on visual mode. You will find the old post. Now you can edit as you wish. And then publish your post. But on both actions, it doesn't carry over any of your metadata, taxonomies, permalink slugs, SEO settings. You have to do this manually. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any queries regarding this issue, feel free to ask them in the comment box. And if you like the video, give a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.